This lesson is all about preparing for cold calling. We'll cover how to create a productive environment, organize your prospects, and adopt the right mindset so you're ready to make the impactful calls. Before anything else, set aside a specific time to focus on your calls, a power hour. This dedicated time block is your chance to make calls without any distractions, so turn off your notifications and let others know that you're busy so you can stay in the zone. Next, prepare your list of prospects in advance. Aim for about 60 prospects you want to get through. So for example, for merit, it would be VP of Sales, SDR managers, CEOs. Make sure you do some research on each one of those prospects and know a little bit about their business, any recent news about it. That will help you personalize your approach. For example, mention a new product they've launched or something recent about their company, making your conversation relevant. Cold calling isn't easy, but having the right mindset makes a massive difference. Expect some rejections, but see them as learning experiences. Staying positive and persistent is a key to success. And remember, each no brings you closer to a yes. So to sum up, time block your calling sessions, organize your list of prospects with background research, and approach each call with a positive, resilient mindset. And by doing this, you'll set yourself up for more effective and focused cold calling sessions. In the next lesson, we'll focus on the opening tone. This is your first tone of your call, and you want to use it to make a strong first impression. And remember, your future is on merit.